Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. The learned guardian judge shall dispose of the petition itself within 6 months from 5/11/2009. Stop. This order is in consonance with the order passed by this court on judicial side in Civil Miscellaneous number 10041 of 2009, in Civil Revision number 1586 of 2009. Stop. It would not be out of place to point out here that in the context of the apparently alarming long pendency related averment made in the course of that petition, this court had directed the registry to obtain a detailed report from all the concerned courts in the states of Punjab, Haryana and Union Territory Chandigarh about the pendency of such matters and also the present status thereof. The relevant information has been received from all the sessions divisions. Stop para. The judicial courts bracket start wherever the cases of indicated category are pending bracket close are mandated to take up the cases of indicated category on priority and ensure their disposal expeditiously. Stop. If there is any peculiar difficulty experienced by the judicial officers concerned in the final disposal of that matters, the concerned presiding officers shall be under a duty to intimate facts hindering the progress to the concerned learned district judges, who shall pass on that information to this court. Stop para. Insofar as the matters which are already 6 months old are concerned, the concerned courts shall ensure their final disposal within 3 months from the date of this order. Stop. It will be the personal administrative responsibility of the district judges to keep a tab on the progress of the cases of indicated category. Stop. If a district judge finds any dereliction on the part of the concerned judicial officers in the expeditious disposal of cases of that category, he shall pass an appropriate order on the administrative side and, if required, refer the matter to this court for appropriate orders in the context. Stop. The registrar within bracket vigilance shall be the nodal officer for the supervisory exercise. Stop. If required, the concerned courts shall be entitled to consider duly notified preponement of the priority area litigation of the indicated category. Stop para. The petition shall stand disposed of accordingly. Stop. It is made clear that the learned guardian judge shall dispose of the petition completely unfazed by the observations made by this court in the course of this order. Stop. It is also made clear that the noticing of pendency of the prosecution shall not be taken as an expression of opinion on merits, as the trial is yet to be held. Stop para. It is alleged that after considering and deciding the objections, final wardbandi was published in the official gazette by all the deputy commissioners before 31/1/2013, and the copies of the final notification were also sent to the State Election Commission, Punjab, for the purposes of revision / preparation of electoral rolls. Stop. The necessary details in this regard, as reproduced in the reply, are as follows. Para. The petitioner filed its replication to the reply filed by respondent numbers 1, 2 and 4, in which emphasis has been laid on the issue of maintaining the writ petition by the petitioner as a political party and regarding the non-disclosure of house numbers in the process of wardbandi. Stop. Over.